Good evening and welcome to another wild camping video. Today was a difficult one. Everything was saying, don't go, stay in this cozy cafe with a nice coffee and just relax here. We'd planned a camp, but both of us really just weren't feeling it. But the moment you start to get a bit of elevation and the views start to open up, all those doubts disappear and you realise you've made the right choice. So we're looking forward to getting pitched up and relaxing for the evening. We're a bit early for pitching up, so we've been out exploring, looking around for other suitable pitches for other times. We found a couple. Well, we're all set up. Well, the tent's up anyway. I'm just about to get the sleeping bags and the mat sorted. So there's the view of the Vale of Edale as the sun's setting. What a beautiful sight. It's a bit windy today. The mountain forecast said the wind was going to die down later, so I'm hoping it's right. We shall see. We're in the Durston tonight. It's quite a flappy tent, but we've got it well pegged out, so hopefully it'll stay where it should. So tea tonight on this windy evening is lemon and herb salmon with some golden vegetable rice and some salad. You can taste the lemon, can't you? With all this hot weather we've been having, this is just spot on. You enjoying it, Lou? So what's your opinion of dinner tonight then, Lou?
It was nice actually. It was nice. It was nice not to have to cook. Salmon was lovely. That was lemon and herb, was it? Lemon and herb. Rice was nice, golden vegetable, salad. Yeah, it's good. Nice and quick.
It's very different to when we were up here last time, a few months ago. There wasn't a bit of wind last time, whereas today, well, it said 20 miles an hour, but it's coming down, you see, off that hill, so we've had to pitch the Durston sort of angled in a particular way. When we first put it up, it was just acting like a sail, so we had to kind of twist it round. It's not perfect, but it's much better than it was. Oh, what a view. I must admit, with all this hot weather we've been having, I'm quite enjoying being a little bit chilly up here. It's nice to get the old down jacket on. So we were in the outside shop in Hathersidge earlier, and we were both lacking motivation. We were both ready just to say, let's leave it for tonight. But we made ourselves come and find a pitch, and it's all so worth it. Because when you're finally here and you're looking at these views, it's just superb. Right, it's about 10 to 11. It's time to get some sleep. The wind's died down a little bit, but not too much. The Durston's holding up well. We've got it pegged, well, double pegged in places, so hopefully it'll be nice and secure. The lights are on in the Vale of Edale. It's interesting to look at life going on down there when you're up here in the hills. Right, so we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Well, it's about 6:30. We've emptied the tent and it's just a case of dropping it and packing it away. It was a windy night last night, all night, never let up. The tent was a bit flappy, but it looked after us. It was strong, it was sturdy, and it was warm. So we're about to head down back to Edale. It's quite chilly, but I'm sure as we drop down further, the temperature will warm up a bit. Right, let's get sorted. Right, so that's us packed up, ready to go. As you can see, we've left no trace, apart from a couple of walking poles, which I'm about to grab in a minute. Right, I've got a coffee with my name on it in one of the cafes down at either Edale, Hope or Hathersidge. Haven't made my mind up yet. Right, well, let's make a move. Here's Louise. Did you sleep well, Lou?
Yeah, I did. Well, sort of. Got to sleep about 1 and then woke up about 4. Cat napped till about 6. Yeah, it's alright. Windy, but good.
Right, well, we're nearly back in Edale now, so it's as good as time as any to say ta-ra, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your support, and stay safe out there in the hills. The wind just took it over there, and I thought, oh no. And if you imagine, look at this expanse. Look at this expanse here. Yeah, the wind just took it over there. I couldn't control it.
It's like marching off. I'm going to land it. Where exactly was you going to land it? There was nothing down there. It's just like more.
No, because I could see on the camera the other path that we go down in a minute, and it was near that path. Should we see if there's any footage? It did say lost connection.
And then it takes off.
Alright, so this is the bit where I filmed you. So I thought, oh, I'll film Lou. And I was filming you here. Right, and then I thought, oh, it seems to be...
It's going.
No. Right, this bit here, I thought, oh, I'll film you. Right, and I thought, hang on a minute, this seems to be...
Drifting.
It's drifting a bit, this.
The wind took it.
And at this point, I don't know.
And
it went down past the other path. Right, and then I was trying to land it on that path.
Right.
I saw that path and I thought we'll be down there in a minute. And then it was doing this.
And it went that way.
And then...
There's the path, look.
And that's, I think, all it got. Oh, then maybe got another one because it kept dropping out a signal. I was trying to land it here.
Oh no.
And I was going, look, grab it. And then it went again.